Yeah.
Thanks. Well, we are talking about making your teeth whiter and better and stronger, and we've got my dentists in the house, Shari and Michael Fife of Craftsman Dental. They are a great couple, and they've got some really good ideas on the best toothpaste that you can pick up at the store, whether it be Target or Walmart, something like that. You don't necessarily have to purchase it in the dentist's office. Let's first talk about folks that, you know, really want to enjoy that summer ice cream cone, but their teeth are super sensitive. Is there anything that you can get to help make them a little bit stronger when it comes to those cold temperatures?
Well, first, a bit of trivia.
Okay.
About 7,000 years ago, the Egyptians struggled with the same problem that we all struggle with, is what is the best ingredient for our toothpaste?
Really?
So, ingredient-wise, we've evolved to this over the years, and so the sensitive teeth, people want to look for something with potassium nitrate in it.
Okay.
There's a 5% in there. The most important ingredient would be fluoride. Fluoride is the most important, but if you have kids under 6, no fluoride. You want to look for something. I think Tom's has a non-fluoridated toothpaste. It's most important to have your kids use the bristle toothbrush and get used to brushing their teeth. You could even use water.
Okay, and you brought some kitty toothpaste, and you said that it was hard for you guys to find ones without fluoride.
Listen, the whole thing about the ingredients in these toothpaste, yes, these are kitty toothpaste, but again, under 6, they can't use these. These have the same ingredient as the rest of our toothpaste.
Oh, I see. Okay, so you couldn't really find any that were without fluoride for the younger ones. So Tom's, you're saying, kind of an all-natural alternative. It's better for the kids.
If it has no fluoride in it.
Okay, so that's.
And there's an antibiotic as well in a lot of the fluorides that the kids. There hasn't been any research or studies done to know if it affects the children. So under 6, you got to look for that antibiotic too. You don't want that in their toothpaste.
Okay, so underscore that. And let's say that you've got stains on your teeth or something like that, like you've got the coffee stains. What's the best thing to get rid of that?
You look for an ingredient with a silica in it. It's the abrasive in the toothpaste is what you want that will help remove stains. There's also tartar controls. Coming out in the light now is baking soda with hydrogen peroxide. People are actually starting to make their own paste. It's kind of big on the internet right now, but Arm & Hammer baking soda.
If you want to buy it pre-made, you don't want to mix it yourself.
There it is, right there.
And then again with the stains, this Rembrandt, you say, I know that that's kind of pricey, but that's a good one for whitening and stain removal.
No, I want people to shy away from the toothpaste to make their teeth white. They've got problems if they're trying to use a toothpaste. If your teeth are fairly stain-free at this point, just pick one that your flavor. Just pick one that's your favorite flavor. But if you've got other problems, see your dentist. The teeth whitening that you can get from your dentist or the strips or things like that, you need a higher percentage of a peroxide to make your teeth white.
Most of these are because they're selling it over the counter, they're such a low level. Some people may see some results, but for the most part, it's very minimal. So if you really want to whiten your teeth, you're going to get discouraged trying to use these.
So
one more point, though. One more point. The fluoride, there's the sodium fluoride is what you're looking for. The stannous fluoride is an older type of fluoride, and it can stain your teeth.
Okay, all right. The last question I was going to ask, we're totally out of time, but best bang for your buck toothpaste all around if you're someone like me?
Colgate Total, Tom's, Sensodyne if your teeth are sensitive, and...
Okay, so really all of these. Okay, so you've gotten a good look at those. You have lots of options.
It's taste.
All taste.
It's taste.
All right. So the cinnamon, the wintergreen, Paul, it's up to you.
And I got to ask Dr. Fife, so what were the ancient Egyptians brushing their teeth with?
Ox hoofs, eggshells, myrrh, hummus, and water.
We've come a long way. Thank you, guys.
That sounds delicious.
Yeah. Save me some, Nat. Ox hooves. You can find Craftsman Dental Care in Sacramento, 1801 Professional Drive, or call them up 974-1160. We really appreciate those two coming in and joining us. Rosemary.
Time now is 7:52, and put on your thinking caps. We've got a weather quiz for you here. Today's question goes on a